I spray painted my pocket bike black and blue. And it's Jordan. I put Jordan on the front fairing. And I just got the new pull start. It's blue. It's awesome. I'm gonna start it up for you guys. It's so loud. It's louder than the 4-stroke. My friend David, he has a 4-stroke Blade pocket bike, and I got the 2-stroke GPRSR pocket bike. I got it last year. David! David! What? Bring your bike. I'm already videoing. What? Bring your bike. I'm showing Anthony our bikes. Okay, has very nice suspension. Okay, we'll start it up. And down. I got a new spark plug for it too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.